Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate help desk services with Help Scout. Complete guide step by step clearly. To automate help desk services with Help Scout, start by creating a Help Scout account. After activating your account, access the Help Scout dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, focusing on the mailbox feature. Begin by setting up a new mailbox for your support inquiries. Click on Mailboxes in the sidebar and select Add Mailbox. Choose a mailbox name that reflects its purpose, such as Customer Support. Follow the prompts to verify your email settings and integration. Now, proceed to configure your workflows. Click on Workflows in the sidebar. Select Add Workflow to begin creating automated responses. Define the triggers for your workflow, such as receiving a new message. Establish conditions that must be met for the workflow to activate. For instance, set a condition to prioritize inquiries based on keywords. Next, create actions for your workflow. Choose from options like sending an automated reply or assigning a team member. Make sure to customize your automated messages to maintain a personal touch. Once your workflows are set up, test them to ensure they function correctly. Use Help Scout's reporting tools to analyze common queries and workload. Based on your findings, refine your workflows and automation settings as needed. Integrate Help Scout with other tools you use, like CRM platforms and chat systems. This step enhances your ability to track conversations across channels. Leverage Help Scout's collision detection feature to avoid duplicated efforts. Train your team on managing automated replies and handling escalations properly. Regularly review and update your automated responses to keep them relevant. Finally, monitor the performance of your automated help desk services. Adjust workflows as you gather feedback and data over time. This will ensure your help desk remains efficient and effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.